Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is CYNTHIaelewuwatv. How are you guys doing? Well, on today's video I'm showing how I did my box braid myself. So in this quarantine, we've been doing mostly nothing except for the online classes with the kids, and yeah, so I just took off my last twist and I decided to do some braiding on my hair because it's better than just leaving my hair like that, you know. Anyway, I'm using two different colors of expression today. So I'm using this expression, the rich braid, and this is in color 350, as you can see. So this is like an oxblood red or something like that. And I'm also using another one. It's also same expression, and this is color 30. So I'm using color 350 and color 30 for this look. Anyway, I started it yesterday evening after helping the kids with the online classes, and I started around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. you know, and then I stopped around 11 p.m. just so I'll be able to use this part to show you guys how I achieve this. And I'm just going in with the natural way, you know. I'm doing it the natural way. I didn't use any rubber band or crochet or anything. I'm just doing it the normal way. And yes, this is my first time of doing it, so I'm actually so happy. I'm so excited that I'm able to do this, and I'm not looking so much in perfection because I know it's not going to be as perfect as those that are, you know, into braiding, you know, like the professionals. But I'm really happy that I'm able to, you know, move out of my comfort zone and be able to do something, you know, for my hair by myself. So I'm not so much looking at the perfection, even though it looks pretty nice, you know. It looks okay to me. The pattern is really okay. So shout out to my husband who also helped me in some parts, like dividing my hair. Anyway guys, yeah, so I'm just gonna start and show you guys how I did it. I picked my hair from the root with the extension. So I know it's not going to be very perfect, but that's not what I'm looking at. I'm just excited that I'm able to do this, and I want to share with you guys. Hope you find this video interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay guys? And yeah, I will see you at the end of the video. So guys, this is the braids, and this is what it looks like, the oxblood color one, and the shade 350. So what I do is I just loosen it up because it comes like this. So I go ahead to loosen it up and cut it because it's not pre-stretched. I'm gonna have to stretch it by myself, loosen it and then cut it. So now that I've got it, I'm gonna start stretching it out. So I'm sure everyone already knows how to stretch out, you know, extensions or attachments, you know, but for the sake of this video, I'm also gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. So from where you cut the attachment or extension, as you may call it, you can just go ahead and hold the tip together like this, and just lightly be selecting little by little and be pulling it out, you know. So pulling it out gives you the long tip instead of a short blunt tip. It gives you a long tip and makes the extension to be more elongated, you know. That's the need for stretching out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep doing this until I'm done with it, and I'll be right back, guys. After stretching the hair and combing it out, this is what it's looking like. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna be taking from here and braiding my hair. So guys, for my hair, I went ahead to spray some water on it and then apply some leave-in conditioner using this Cantu leave-in conditioner. So just so it will be manageable for me to comb. So guys, now that I've combed out my hair, I'm gonna go ahead to section it, section and part my hair, and I'm gonna start from this side. I just hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna be using my hair clip to clip back this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and section this part. So this is it, and then I'm gonna go ahead to clip this one as well. Okay, now that it's secured, I'm gonna go ahead to take my hair, and this is the much I took. So I'll be joining it just like this. Then I'm gonna put my finger through it just like so, and I'll just place it right here and put my hand through, bring it out. I'm not sure if you guys can see, and bring it out also just like so. So originally, okay, I'll just keep doing this and this, just keep going with my hair and the extension. Okay, just keep going. And then I'll turn it back to this side, see, and then I'll start braiding. So I wanted this hair to be a jumbo hair, like very big. I wanted maybe up to 30 strands, but my hair is not relaxed, it's natural, so I can't grab so much at a time, if not it will look nasty. So I decided to just go as the spirit leads. Anyway, this is what I'm going to continue doing. I'll just keep braiding it to the end. Okay guys, close to the end. I'm just gonna twist. I'll start twisting it. I'll twist it to the end. gonna cut this side out just like this, guys. So now I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna part it into two. Let me bring this camera closer. So I'll part. Like so. And I'm gonna apply hair pomade using my Cantu hair pomade. So I'll just apply it in between here, just like so. I'll clip this one. Take my hair. Now this is the other shade, so I'm going to repeat the same process again for you guys to see. Now I'll put the hair right on my hair and I'll pull my hair through, holding my hair and the extension. I'll pull and put my hand through the other side. As you can see, I now have a grip of my hair and the extension. Then I go through it again and again. It has a firm grip, not too tight, not too loose, just okay. So I'll keep going like that. Then I'll bring down my hand and I'll braid. It's actually not that difficult, guys. It's really not that difficult. If not for the fact that it's time consuming and, you know, sometimes painful on the hand. It's really not that difficult to do. You know, this is something you can do when you have some time on your hand, and when you don't have any option of making your hair, just like in this quarantine. Nobody comes to your house to make your hair, so you just find a way, you know, to make your own hair. Anyway, so I'll just keep braiding the hair until at the end of it, just like so. I'm tightening the braids a bit because I'm gonna be putting it into hot water, and I'm sure when I put it into the hot water it's gonna, you know, loosen up a bit, so hence I'm tightening it. I don't want to make it loose braids, because when it's loose and you put it into the hot water, then it's gonna be very, very loose. Anyway, I will stop talking now and I'm gonna demonstrate it one more time, then I'll finish it up and meet you guys at the end of the hair making, or whatever you may call it, you know. But I'm having so much fun, I'm enjoying it. I'm just so proud that I'm the one making my own hair. I mean, I don't know if it's something so much to be proud of, but yeah, I just like to be grateful and happy for the little things of life, you know. That's me. Anyway, I'll just twist it to the end. Look at me blocking the camera. Camera woman, oh my god. Okay, so here we are at the end, and this is what I do, and voila, we're good to go. Okay guys, so I'm done making the hair. I just got it out from hot water and this is what it looks like. Everything is now soft and flexible. I want to show you guys how I put it in hot water, but it wasn't easy for me and I don't want to end up burning myself or anything. So, but yeah, I'm done with the hair and this is what it looks like. Now you can style it however you want. And the edges, yeah, because it's natural hair, so the edges needs to be, you know, laid, and I'll be doing that whenever I'm maybe going out or anything. But other than that, the hair is nice, it's beautiful, and I like it. And this is the end of this video guys, tutorial. This is the end. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to share it out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.